Okay, so this is a little mini review on surface area. Some students were saying they needed extra help, so I thought I'd send this video to parents. So first of all, the formula that we'll use for surface area is 2 times uppercase B, which stands for area of the base, plus P times H, and P times is the perimeter of the base. So we'll start off with this cylinder right here, and we're going to do 2 times the area of the base, which is a circle. So area of a circle is pi times radius, which is 4 squared, plus perimeter of the base. Perimeter of a circle is called circumference. And circumference of a circle is 2 times pi times the radius, or just pi times diameter. And then h is the height of this whole thing, which is 6. Okay, we want to multiply this part together and then this part together first, write down our answers, and then add it up at the end. So this would be 16 times 2 times pi, which is 100.48. And then the next part is 2 times 3.14 times 4 times 6, and you get 150.72. And the last step is to add. We don't want to just enter all this in left to right. You might type something in wrong and it's just going to be frustrating. So we get 251.2, and it is inches squared. So that's how you do a cylinder. I'm going to erase this. Next, we'll do a triangular prism. So in a triangular prism, the triangles are the bases. So we want to be careful that we're not thinking the rectangle in the bottom is the base. So it's 2 times the area of the base, and a triangle is base times height, and then we cut it in half. So it'd be 8 times 3 cut in half. That's how we find the area of a triangle, plus perimeter of the base. And perimeter of the base is the perimeter of the triangle. So that would be 5 plus 5 plus 8, which is 18. And then height is height of the prism, and this prism is on its side. Its height is actually 10. So I'm going to simplify this. The 2's cancel out, and that would be 24. Then I'm going to multiply this part. That's 180. And then the very last step is to add them, and I get 204 feet squared. So remember, the triangle is the base. The height is between the triangles. Okay, last one is a rectangular prism. So that's this one here. I think I erased this. This is 4 inches. Okay, so for a rectangular prism, we can just say whatever is on the bottom is the base, because all the sides are rectangles. So I'm just going to say the bottom is 3 by 7. So we're going to do 2 times the area of the base, which is 7 times 3, which is 21, plus perimeter of the base, which is 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3, which would be 14 plus 6 is 20. That's the perimeter of the base. And then h is the height of this whole thing, so the height is 4. Multiply, multiply, add. So that would be 42 plus 80. So it would be 122. 42 plus 80, yeah, I did it right, is inches squared. So that's just a quick review of how to do surface area. If they ask you just to do lateral area or just the sides, that's this part of the formula, the P times H. That is all.